Hi friends, this is Holly and welcome back to my channel. We are planning for the week of July 5th through the 11th, and this week I celebrate my 5th anniversary. So I thought I would use a mix of the Disney Princess. This is the first Princess sticker book that I think was only at Walmart. And then I also grabbed a plethora of Coffee Planner Mom stickers. And I'll kind of explain why, because I'm sure when you're looking at this, you're going, none of this makes sense, not even one little piece. But I'll explain as we plan and do things. As you're watching, if you're liking what you're seeing and you want to see more, make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm choosing the Disney Princess book because my wedding dress was actually one of the Alfred Angelo Disney Princess dresses, and it was Snow White, or it was inspired by Snow White. So I thought I would go ahead and get that down for anniversary day. I think I'm going to put them right in the middle. I can always come back and kind of remove some things. I'll try and put a picture somewhere here, if technology will allow me, of my wedding dress, because I still love that dress. I still, with all of my heart, love that dress. It was simple, but like had detail to it. I don't know. Like I said, I'll put a picture somewhere. If I don't put a picture, like when I said I did, I will put it at the end. That's what we'll do. How about that? I'm double checking. I knew I wanted that one. I'm not actually going to use the date night sticker yet, because I think we're going to actually try and, this sounds silly, celebrate either Saturday or Sunday, because I'm thinking in true Weight Watcher fashion, and I'm like, man, weigh-ins on Saturday. I don't want to go out to eat on Friday night. So my wedding colors were yellows, and yellow and gray with some blues. So I went through all of the kits I had, or pieces that I had, stickers from Coffee Planner Mom, and grabbed anything that was somewhat gray, yellow, and maybe like that grayish blue, so that I could use that. And then I also grabbed, I realized I had some leftovers from the, what's it called? You're all shouting at me. I know this. I can feel it. The New Year's Eve kit, because I remember saying, hey, that would make a great wedding, anniversary kit as well. And then of course my flowers were more yellow, so I thought I might try and bring these guys in as well. I'm not sure how this is going to work, but we're going to give it a try. I do have an appointment, and I know there's a salon one in here. I have a hair appointment. And if you would see my hair right now, you'd probably be like, but you don't need one. It's still like super duper short. It is, but I can't wait for it to like go back to being shorter, because that's how I roll. All right, where did I put this one? Let's use it. And that's going to be on Tuesday. I feel like I need to like zhuzh up the Friday one so that I don't put anything else there. What else do I have going on this week? I don't have a ton going on. I can go crazy on this spread if I want to. All right, chores list. Let's do that, because we know chores are going to happen. Do I have? I do. I have a gray checklist. Now, if you like the Coffee Planner Mom stickers, I will put my code, my PR code, in the description of this video, but I know she is working on getting a new PR team, or like putting out her, like this term is coming to an end. I always have a hard time saying like all this. I don't know why, but I just get stuck on my words sometimes. So know that unless I'm picked again, my code may not work anymore. So just keep that in mind. I believe, and I could be wrong, I believe she's opening them up, like the applications to be on her PR team, I think in this week. Maybe it's the 5th through the 11th. I don't know. Something like that. In this week, she will be opening up applications. That's the plan, at least. Right? Right. Let's do other kind of fun. Do I have fun quotes? That one's too pink. I think I'll use the take note, even if there's nothing to take note about. Got something there, got something there. Let's put you here. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and put date night down. Because I think, first of all, why not? And I have a feeling we're going to try and do it on Saturday. If not, and we move it to a different day, that's totally fine. Oh, that's really like the same thing, isn't it? Does it matter though? Does it really matter? We'll find out if it bothers me and I move it. Right? Chores for this week, we're in zone 2. Zone 2 is the living room. Trying to see if there's any the quotes. I know there's like I don't really want to do gold. I'm not a gold fan. I wish I was, but I'm not. Not my favorite. It's always the hard decision. Okay, that's fine. Let's add some florals. Let's do that. Why not? Oh, we do have to do meal plan. Let's use this one. So here's the other big thing that we're trying to figure out. And I don't know if it will happen this week or not, actually. But that could be fun. What? I've got 3 yellow flowers left. And I could use pink. Like, really, it won't break the bank if I use pink. Okay, put this down for a moment. So, I'm going to tell you a story about a wedding cake that never arrived. My wedding cake never arrived, so I really want to get the wedding cake that I was supposed to have the night of my wedding. So what happened was the grocery store bakery that we got our cake from, or that we ordered our cake from, the lady had her son's wedding the night before. I remember this because we talked about it when we were ordering my cake. And they just didn't make my cake. Like, they went to do all of the, like, hey, let's go. Like, we walked up to go cut our cake and there was no cake there. None. Ooh, we should use that guy. Yeah, there was no cake there. And so I was like, well, that's interesting. So my mom and the lady who was running the hall talked, and the lady who was running the hall, she was fabulous. She ran down to the bakery because it was just down the street. And they're like, yeah, we don't have anything for it. And she said, well, here's what you're going to do. You're going to give me a quarter sheet cake for the couple to cut into, and then you're going to give me as many sheet cakes as I need because we've got people waiting for cake. So at first I wasn't like really mad about it. And then as the night progressed, I was like, wait a minute, I didn't get my cake. So I'm looking to order my cake. I've tried to make my own cake the last few years. I do like to bake. Like it's not a completely odd request. Oh, hi, Sharpie Dawn. Like it wasn't a weird thing for me to make my own cake the last few years, but I actually want to like go and I want my cake. We have a cute little topper. I still have it. It's out on our little fireplace, and it's Mario and the princess, because I'm a nerd, jumping the flag at the end of Super Mario Brothers. Or not at the end, but like, you know, the end of a level of Super Mario Brothers. Yeah. That's what it is. So I want my cake. My cake was supposed to be chocolate. It was supposed to be square. We were just getting a little square tier for us to cut into. Everybody else was getting sheet cake. But so ours was supposed to be square, so it looked like a lucky block, a question mark block, but without the question mark on it, okay? And yeah, we never got it. Can you tell I'm still bitter about it just a little bit? Always, I tell everyone that story. Now, in the grand scheme of things, is it really the end of the world? No, it's not the end of the world, but my cake. I do. I really want my cake. I'm loving how this sidebar is turning out. Sometimes I just need to talk to you guys and start cutting things apart. Do I have any more little guys I can throw in there? There we go. Oh, that looks like fun. Huh, fabulous. All right, I'm trying to think of what other big rocks I need to deal with this week. When I talk about big rocks, I'm talking about some, you may have heard that phrase before, but it's like the things that are most important, because then the little things all fit around it. You know what I mean? So I don't think we have any other like big appointment things going on. So I think what I'm gonna do is maybe just add some florals and some boxes, and we'll call that a day. Because why not? You know, we'll have game night here. Yeah, I think that's going to do it for this spread. I don't really want to do any more to it other than like when I write things down. I'm I'm not sure I really have a quote that would go there. So I don't want to like force something that's not going to work. You know what I mean? All right, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you all in the next one.